Waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted. As soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe. Give me some time to speak. Cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, only lane, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Buongiorno, buon proseguimento. Su.
Standing out in the crossroads, trying to make out where to go. You're left without warning, and now you're ignoring me. So what about us? What about all we had? Just send me an SOS. I'll run to you faster than lightning. Give me some time to breathe. Give me some time to speak. Cause I know the truth inside. I promise you this time.
Yeah!
Intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream, swimming towards a vicious dream. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak.
Cosa mi dice di questa operazione di disboscamento?
Top! Il massimo in tempo zero.
Sì? Chi aveva la motosega nello zaino? Ah?
Io, stile elettrico.
Stile elettrico.
Chi? L'albero o il tipo?
Dio, boh, ma lì è caduto fulmine e l'ha crevato, vedi?
Sì, no, ma è marcio.
È marcio.
Non te lo vedi, non è il massimo.
Stai qua per darla
Sì, dai, andiamo.